Freefly is an innovation company. We're doing it because we love exploring performance, efficiency, flight time. We love pushing the limits on all this stuff. I'm Tab Furshaw. I'm one of the co-founders at Freefly and current CEO. I don't care if we're building drones or helicopters or cameras or controllers or whatever it might be. I just want to have a new point of view on products that the world hasn't seen before and build them in such a way that they unlock value for people that hasn't been unlocked.
Hi, my name's Nate. Been a payload engineer here at Freefly for the last 4 years. A lot of what we do is grounded in flight data. Ultimately, we have to test fly pretty much everything we do. Alta X Gen2 is our latest aircraft. We're focused on providing the best industrial drones that we can to customers across the world. With drones specifically, the iteration cycles are often significantly faster than most major aerospace projects. I love the complex problems that we get to work on, solving different users' mission needs and all of the challenges that go with that. And I love seeing the real-world impact that it has helping people out in the world. They're aircraft at the end of the day, and so we want to make sure that they're super reliable, super robust. Our drones can be operating in the desert in tons of sand and wind in really hot conditions, and they also can be operating in freezing weather where it's snowing, harsh winds rolling over mountaintops, high altitude. There's really a whole range of conditions that they operate in.
We beat on the products 100 times harder than our customers ever will and take our testing methodology as seriously as full-size aircraft manufacturers do. One kind of tagline around here is world's toughest drones, so hopefully making progress on that reputation.
We end up getting the Formlabs Fuse, which has just been a total workhorse. I can send a job and I just know that the prints will be there the next day, which is awesome. It's been such a breath of fresh air to jump to that system. It's been really, really amazingly reliable and robust for us. The Fuse is one of the most versatile tools that we have for prototyping and quick iteration.
Anything that improves the velocity and allows people to get their creativity into the world more quickly than before is what we're excited about.
We're able to make design changes that same day, print it overnight, install it on the aircraft the next day, test fly it. Having the Fuse allows us to come up with a really quick and easy way to get hardware onto our drones for different testing. One of the things that I really like the Fuse for is that I can design some crazy fixture or jig or part for a one-off research and development product, and I don't have to think quite so much about the manufacturing constraints. It helps us just go super fast through the research and development process for a lot of these systems. It's been really cool to see all of the wild, crazy things that people have done with our drones and all the different problems that they're helping to solve in the world. Customers that are helping to put out wildfires across the US, and other customers that are doing search and rescue, wind turbine and bridge inspections, and doing mapping after natural disasters and things like that. And so it's been just really cool to see all of that. I just love seeing the real world impact that drones have to be able to solve problems. And that's been really a true privilege.